ch- the changes to the asylum. So there is, there is law around like if you do a big change to the 589, they can do the 1 year. So you have 1 year to file your I-589, and
Mhm.
if you've done that, if you haven't, then you no longer qualify. You're now no longer eligible for asylum. Like now, you're looking at withholding and CAT if you haven't met the 1 year deadline. So if you do something that affects like the underlying asylum claim, depending on what you're changing, if it's not some minor things, if it's not the actual claim, or
Mhm.
you're adding new things, then that could affect the 1 year. To pretermit the entire 589, so that's something that's been being pushed now. So there's quite a few, not maybe a lot, but there's a couple of practice advisories on how to push back on those pretermissions, because there's case law pushing back on general. Like you should still have an opportunity. The respondent has, their own constitutional rights to be able to testify, to
Mhm.
be able to defend their claims, and to be able to make sure that's a separate issue than the 1 year saying that, oh no, didn't have, I've changed the underlying claim so much it no longer meets the 1 year mark. Because we still, like, how do we know they don't still qualify for withholding or CAT, which do have different burdens as
Mhm.
far as how much evidence is required from one or the other. But they're doing whatever they can to just get
Yeah.
them out of court to just get rid of their claims.